This is the $2.6 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, a masterwork that completely reimagines luxury travel. Constructed on the well-known Prevost H3-45 chassis, it has a sleek, aerodynamic design and a potent Volvo D13 engine that produces 500 horsepower and a smooth, effortless ride. Bringing five-star living to the open road, this bus seamlessly combines top-notch engineering and design principles to do more than just transport you from one location to another. It's a style statement and proof that your journey can be as amazing as your destination thanks to its unique, eye-catching paint job and panoramic windows. As you enter, the cockpit appears to be more of a command center than a driver's seat. The dashboard, which has Liberty Coach's improved Crosspoint controls and a huge Crestron C3 CPU, is a study in contemporary elegance. The driver has total control over the coach's sophisticated temperature and entertainment systems, navigation, and a high-definition backup camera thanks to this technology. With a floating doorway and lighted steps that provide a hint of futuristic beauty, the completely redesigned layout is simple and easy to use. Luxuriance and fine craftsmanship are evident in the main living room. This coach's three S-Slide versions combine to provide a large, open floor plan that matches that of many upscale residences. Handcrafted cabinets and high-end leather seats are common features of the decor, which is a unique fusion of colors and textures. With the help of the integrated smart home system, you can easily manage your entertainment, blinds, and lights with voice commands or button presses. This roomy apartment with luxurious finishes is ideal for partying, unwinding, and savoring life's little pleasures while on the road. Awaiting you is your mobile refuge. A cozy king-sized bed is the focal point of the opulent master suite. Your clothing and personal items will have plenty of storage thanks to the handmade cabinets that surround the walls. You can operate the blinds, sound system, and lights from the comfort of your bed thanks to integrated smart controls. The room is the ideal location to relax and refuel for the next part of your journey because it seems roomy, quiet, and serene. A bath-and-a-half arrangement is even available in some floor plans, giving visitors a half-bath nearer to the main living area. The restroom is a haven inspired by a spa. It has gorgeous high-end fixtures, a big glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and heated marble floors. The worktops complement the opulent sense of the kitchen, while the toilet is composed of porcelain. You will feel as though you are in a five-star hotel even though you are far from civilization because to this bathroom's extensive storage and careful attention to detail, which are meant to deliver the utmost in comfort and convenience. This is a gourmet kitchen fit for a professional cook, not your average RV kitchenette. It has a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer. The counter's stunning quartz construction offers a sophisticated and long-lasting surface for food preparation. No matter who is cooking, they can still participate in the discussion because the entire space is seamlessly incorporated into the main living room and has enough of cupboard and drawer space for all your goods and kitchenware.